Hi everyone, I'm Xian Yi. In this video, I would like to share about how to create a shared folder by using the same network. First of all, this is the folder that I want to share to other computer. To determine what is this computer name, we can go to this PC and right-click, click on Properties, then we can see that the computer name is MSI. Next, we go to the setting. Then, click on the network and internet. After that, we click on sharing options. For the setting, the private, we turn on the network discovery. And then we turn on the file and printer sharing. For the guest or public, turn on all. And then for the all networks, we turn on all. And the last one is password protected sharing. We turn on means that other computer, if need to get the files that you share, he or she need to key in the password that you have set. After that, you click on Save Change. Next is go for the Wi-Fi, and then this is the Wi-Fi that I use. Click on the Properties. For the network profile, click on Private. After that is you go to PC and then click on Network. MSI is this computer, then you click on, then User. After that, you can see that this is the folder that in this PC. To give access to specific people, you need to create an account, then go to the setting first, click on the accounts, then go to the family and others user. You can add someone else to this PC. You click on I don't have this person sign in information. Next is add a user without Microsoft account. Then you can type the username. Then you set the password. Retype it. Then click some question and answer it. Make sure all the questions you answer it. Okay, after that you click next. I didn't create an account. This is because I already have an account. Okay. After that, go to the folder that you want to share. You right click and then you press give access to specific people. And then for here, you need to add DCN. Is just now I created the account and I click it and I add. For the permission level, you can choose you want read or read or write. I choose read. This is because I just only let the user to read my folder. Then after that, I click share. Done.
Okay, now this is the second computer. To check whether we can see the file is sent successfully and can open it. So the first step is click on this PC. Next is network, and then MSI. Type the username and then the password. Then click on OK. Then click on users. Then this is the file, the share files from computer MSI. Then you can see that it is successful. Then we click on see whether it can open. Yes, can open. And then the second one also can open. So This share file is successful.
Okay, continue with this computer. To remove the access, we go to the folder, right-click, and give access to remove access. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.